Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you worry about the missing Wi-Fi option problem in Windows 10, then don't worry. Your problem fixed 100%. Just apply all the methods one by one until your problem fixed. I just simply request you, if your problem is solved, then please like this video. Also subscribe my channel. For any problem, comment me or contact me on Instagram. Instagram link in description. So simply goes to Wi-Fi icon. You can show that network and internet setting, click on it. In this window you can see that not shows Wi-Fi option here. How to fix this problem? Simply follow the video steps, not skip any step until your problem fixed. Before video starting, if you are new viewers on my channel, then please subscribe. Also like this video. Goes to search and type here Troubleshoot Setting. When you go to Troubleshoot Settings, then you can see that additional Troubleshoot Setting. Click on it and your problem is Wi-Fi and internet connections, click on it. Then click on run the troubleshooter. So automatically detect your problem here and shows that what is your problem. If your problem not fixed, then apply next method. Now type here ncpa.cpl. Click on it, right click on it and disable. When you disable, a few minutes, enable again. When you enable, then your problem fixed. But if your problem not fixed, then apply next method. Go to search menu and type here network reset. Click on reset now. When you click on reset, when you click on yes, then your network setting reset and your PC is restored. Then your problem fixed. But after applying this method, your problem not fixed, then apply next method. Type here services app, left click on it, then search here WLAN Autoconfig. After searching here, right click on it and go to properties. If setup type is automatically, select here, and if you not start, then start here. If you start, then stop and again start and click apply and OK. If this method not working your laptop, then apply next method. Search here device manager. When you open this window, then goes to network adapters. You see that Wi-Fi drivers and go to wireless second drivers and right click on it and select disable device. When you disable this driver, again few minutes, again enable device. If your problem is not fixed, then apply next. Again right click on this driver and update driver. Then click on browse my computer for drivers. Then click next. Select a driver and click next. When you click next, then installing drivers automatically and your problem is fixed. But if your problem is not fixed, then apply next method. Again, go to second driver and right click on it and uninstall device. Not uncheck this box and uninstall. When your driver is uninstalled, then goes to action, click on scan for hardware changes. Then your drivers automatically reinstalled and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.